Imagine waking up every morning, pulling back the curtain and seeing mountain views from your bed, stepping into your own custom closet, walk into a spa-inspired bedroom, and ending every day soaking in a freestanding tub overlooking the Arizona desert. Believe it or not, this wasn't always here. The entire primary suite was completely reimagined. We moved walls, redesigned the floor plan, built separate his and her closets, created private water closets, and designed a massive walk-in shower, and positioned the vanity so every morning starts with an incredible view. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to show you exactly how we transformed one ordinary bedroom into one extraordinary retreat. Luxury remodeling isn't just about making a space look beautiful. It's about completely changing how you experience your home. This project is one of my favorite examples because every square foot was intentionally redesigned to improve the homeowner's everyday life. Great remodels start with the floor plan, not the finishes. The biggest transformation didn't happen after drywall or paint. It happened on paper. The original layout simply wasn't working. The space felt disconnected, storage was limited, the bathroom lacked flow, and the incredible mountain views weren't being fully appreciated. Instead of updating finishes, we asked a different question. How should the suite actually function? Moving multiple walls, reworking circulation, expanding the bathroom, created a better symmetry and maximized natural light. Luxury starts with the great planning, not expensive materials. Once the layout was right, the focus was on creating the space that feels personal. Every space was designed around daily living. One of the biggest upgrades was creating separate his and hers closets. It sounds simple, but it completely changes how the space functions. More storage, better organization, personal space, less clutter, easier morning routines. From there, we continued that same philosophy throughout the bathroom, separate water closets, privacy, better traffic flow, improved functionality. Luxury isn't always about bigger, it's about better. Every luxury home has one feature that becomes unforgettable. For this home, it's the view. We intentionally positioned the double vanity so the homeowners begin every morning looking directly towards the mountains. And then we carried the same experience over to the soaking tub. This isn't just somewhere to take a bath. It's a place to unwind, to slow down, to enjoy the architecture and the landscape together. Instead of a tub being tucked into a corner, it became the focal point of the room. The best luxury remodels aren't defined by one dramatic feature. They're defined by dozens of thoughtful details. Full-height cabinetry, oversized mirrors, seamless glass, large format tile, layered lighting, hidden storage, clean lines, premium plumbing fixtures, neutral textures, and soft neutral colors. Most people won't point to one specific detail. They'll simply say, "This feels incredible," and that's exactly what great design should do.